the most merciful and most gracious. Honorable judges, teachers, and all the students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. It is a great honor for me to join this English speech contest. In this great opportunity, I would like to deliver a speech about the Sirat al-Nabi sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. My dear fellows, first of all, I would like to tell you that what is meant by Sirat and what is the definition of Sirat. Dear audience, Sirat is a word which means the lifestyle of a man. Sirat is a word which means the character of a man. Sirat is a word which means the honesty of a man. Dear audience, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sent 140,000 prophets on the earth for the guidance of the all mankind. The first prophet was Hazrat Adam alayhi salatu wa salam, and the last one was Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. My dear fellows, who is Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam? According to the Holy Quran, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said that Muhammadur Rasulullah, which means that Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam is the last prophet of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And according to the hadith, Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam said that Ana khatamun nabiyyin la nabiyya ba'di, which means that I am the last prophet and there is no prophet after me. My dear fellows, who is Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam? The first man is Muhammad, the last man is Muhammad, a gentleman is Muhammad, an honest man is Muhammad, a brave man is Muhammad, the citizen of Makkah and Medina Muhammad, the son of Amina and Abdullah is Muhammad, and a man who brought all of us from the darkness into the brightness, called Muhammad alayhi salatu wasalam. My dear fellows, the life of Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam is full with success. According to the Holy Quran, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said that لَقَدْ كَانَ لَكُمْ فِي رَسُولِ اللَّهِ أُسْوَةٌ حَسَنَةٌ, which means that the life of Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam is a perfect and great example for the all mankind. Because Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam set very high and noble ideas through his life as well as social life for all mankind. My dear fellows, if we follow the rules and example of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, then we success. Because Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam set high and noble ideas for all mankind. If we want to attain goodness, if we want to achieve success, if we want to achieve our goals, then it is necessary for all of us to follow the rules and follow the example and follow the lifestyle of Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Because Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam is our leader, and Muhammad